Hi guys, we're about to start week 3 of our Regen Wednesday. Today we're just going to work mainly on our upper body. So we're going to work on the thoracic spine and just mobilizing the shoulder joint a little bit too, just kind of help improving thoracic extension, rotation, and then just kind of help work any kind of kinks around the shoulders and neck if you have any. Okay. We'll start off. All we're going to do, we're going to grab our foam roller. Okay. And we're going to start by just rolling out our upper back, okay? We're going to place it here. And from here, we're just going to lay. Remember, we're just working from our upper back, so we don't want to go all the way down to our lower back. We're just going to go to right about there. Make sure we kind of keep that curvature. And I like to fold my arms as well, just kind of expose those muscles a little bit more. You can find a good spot for me. Once you find that little kink, you're just gonna extend and open up those spines. A different spot. Repeat. Another one. And you can start back open, just roll it out. Alright, from there, we're going to roll out our lats. Okay? So remember, like week 1, it's kind of laying at an angle. Here. Right. Try to get the full length of the lats. The lats kind of attaches down here and come all the way up. And we're going to try to keep today a little bit shorter too. I know I've been going for like hours, so we can try to keep it up to like about 30 minutes. Alright, repeat on the same thing on the other side. That should feel really good, guys. Alright guys, we're done with that foam roll for now. For me, I like to use the lacrosse ball. We're going to go to the front side this time. We're going to work out the pec minors and pec majors, kind of loosen everything out, kind of open up the chest a little bit more. You can use a foam roller still if you would like to, but for me, I'm going to use the lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, softball, whatever you have available to yourself. Just kind of a nice, kind of hard, solid ball where you kind of dig into that muscle. Okay, so we'll take that right side first. So I'm just go here. Alright, place it down and just kind of dig in. Okay, from here, we're going to take that same arm. We're going to press it overhead. Okay, just nice and slow movement. Pressing through and back down. Pressing through. Back down. Pressing through and back down. And you can move the ball around to find the other tender spot. Like you have a knot, if it hurts a lot, that's probably where you need to be. That's where you're the tightest. And go behind the head. Roll it out. You can get that ball more close to your midline. Get your pec major. If you're doing a lot of push-ups or any like chest workout at home, you'll probably feel that there. for most people, we need to work out our pec minor, just kind of open up the chest because we're always constantly in a rounded forward position. So this is going to help open up our posture and just kind of improve the overall functionality. Alright guys, let's go to the other side. So again, it's just going to sit kind of where your shoulders and your chest meet, so just kind of right in here. And then you can roll around and kind of find your spot. Again, just pressing through. Now for most people, you might not be comfortable with being so close to the ground. If you have a yoga block or any kind of book or something, you can kind of use that as leverage to kind of elevate yourself a little bit more higher off the ground, so that way you really get that ball to dig in. So like for me, I didn't think about it. I didn't grab a book, so I have to really get down close to the ground to really press. But usually when I'm at the gym rolling out or whatever, I'll have like a yoga block or something that I'll leverage the ball so I get a little bit more height. Alright guys, now we're going to take that ball, we're going to work our upper traps up here. Okay, so all you're going to do, you can take the ball, you're going to place it here, you're going to find a shelf or a wall. Just like me, I'm going to use this right here. I'm going to get my anchor, that ball, into the traps, and I'm going to dig in and front. Here, I'm going to roll the neck away. Now, and that should be really tender. Okay. Alright, you guys spent a couple more seconds there just to catch up if you guys couldn't hear me from back there. Again, taking the ball, anchor it in, and using your body, just kind of pushing into that wall or shelf or whatever you have available access to you, and just kind of let it dig up in there, kind of breaking down the fascia and muscles. And from there, if you want to get a little bit more stretch, you can just look away, down, up. Just kind of hit and breaking down all that tissue up in there. Okay, so same thing on both sides. Once you're done with that one, we'll go through some thoracic mobilization and some shoulder mobilization for internal and external rotation. We'll turn it in and out. And then that'll be it for today, okay? So we'll start out with some shoulder internal rotation. So this is called a sleeper stretch. Okay, so it looks something like this. I'm gonna lay it on my side. So arms about 90 degrees in front of you. So from here, just gonna press that arm down. Right, try not to let the shoulder come off the ground. That makes the movement a little bit easier. Here I'm just gonna press. Ideally, I don't have the range of motion, but ideally, you should at least be able to touch your fingertips to the ground. Okay. Fingertips to the ground. I'm just right about here. Ideally, you want to be touching at least to have to get shoulder internal rotation. I want to do about 8 to 30 seconds. We do an 8-set count. Relax. and then go back into it. Make sure you're breathing through the stretch. Big important to just big breath in, breathe out, just kind of let everything relax into the position. And relax, release. What's up, Danny? I know, man, the traps is the worst. Yeah, Danny said his trap always hurt so good. I think for most people it's the same too. I know for myself it was really tender, so I kind of cheated a little bit, and I ran back to you guys. But on my own time, I'll smash it out some more. All right, guys, switching sides. Same thing, little sleeper stretch. Guys, biggest thing here is like when we go through these mobilization and stretching movements, kind of this thing about really breathing and relaxing into the movement and position. But that's gonna allow your body to kind of like form figure itself into that position, that newfound position, I guess. So like if I'm fighting it, it's never gonna be able to kind of relax into it and gain that new range. Okay, so I'm always here, I'm taking a big breath in, and as I breathe, just kind of relax into it. And I'm not fighting it, I'm not trying to tense up in here, just relax, just let everything just kind of work like it's supposed to. So I'm here, big breath in and out. And I don't know if you can tell, but I can feel it. But just as I breathe out, my body just relaxes a little bit more. And I'm gaining just a little, maybe an inch more range. So I'm just here, big breath in. Take it off, relax, go back in. Big breath in and out. Again, big breath in and out. Alright guys, gonna shake it off. Alright, so we're gonna go into our iron cross. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna lay out flat. Your arms are gonna go extend straight out. Okay? And all you're gonna do is from here you're just gonna anchor one arm and you're gonna roll over it. Okay? So it's gonna look like this. And we're gonna hold this position for about 30 seconds. Okay? So here, rolling over. Biggest thing is make sure we're keeping that shoulder on the ground. Bring through the movement. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, about halfway there. There we go. 16, 17. 18, 19, 20. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and relax. Alright, going through the opposite side, same thing. Here and across. Open up. And breathe. Really important here to breathe, guys. And if you feel that stretch all the way down your bicep and forearm, that's a good thing. It just means the whole system right there is really tight, so everything's just stretching out. Breathe. About 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so this next stretch, there's a couple of different names. Some people go by land chart, and so all you want to do when you guys are flying an elevated surface, I'm just going to use the ground so you guys can see it. So you should just drive your elbows here, down into the ground. From here, you're just looking to push your elbows forward, so extending the arms away from your body, and I'm pushing my thumbs out. Okay, kind of feel it. It's a sensation here, and so I'll start here. As I push away, that stretch starts to get a little bit more intense. Okay, so if I was to do it on a elevated surface where you guys can see, I'm just here, and I'm pushing up. Okay, trying to get my body to go completely straight. Okay, so I'm here pushing out. And breathing through it. As again, you guys can tell, my external rotation is pretty bad. Just breathing through here. Shake it off. I'm right back into it. Breathe. And I gotta shake it off one last time and go through it one more time. And we're here, pushing back, breathing. Also, guys, next week I'm gonna try to get my friend do a live yoga class. If not, we're just gonna do a stretch session. We're gonna pick out 3 or 4 quality stretches, targeting a particular part of our body, and we're just gonna come and hang out. So you guys want to join me in the chat? We'll hold each position for a few minutes to let those muscle fibers really get elongated and just kind of restores proper elasticity. Okay. All right, guys. So last movement for today, just kind of working some more thoracic rotation, and just kind of overall shoulder mobility as well. Okay. For this one, we're just going to sit at a 90 degrees. Okay. Arms are going to come here. We're going to fold. We're going to open out. And from here, I'm going to take that arm and I'm going to press it overhead. Okay. Let's see if I can get that angle. From here, I'm going to open. And then I'm going to press. Okay. And then repeat. And then close it off. So again, open and press. Okay, and back down and close. So we do it about 8 on each side. Okay, so that was 2 for me. Again, I'm just gonna open and press. Some of you guys might feel a little tightness in the shoulders as you press. Kind of bear what you can. We don't overdo it. We don't want to tear anything or do anything that can cause harm to the body. So just be mindful of how hard you push yourself. Okay? If your body is tightened up and resistant to more or less keep what it has adapted to, what it's used to prevent harm and any changes in your body. Okay? Eventually, you want to be able to kind of open all the way up, both shoulder blades on the ground, and then extend. So that arm is going to slide and glide on the ground. Okay, that's about 8. Switching sides. So I'm here. Open up. And sorry, guys. I know you guys can see me press. Right here, guys, right? Thoracic rotation. And then overhead. Shoulder flexion, right? Got one more. Alright guys, that's it for today. Like I said, I try to keep it relatively short. Just kind of playing around with some mobilization, some shoulder health, some thoracic rotation stuff. Didn't want to go too long because didn't want to kind of bog you guys down with too much information like the first day. And then last week, we had the hip complex, and that's just kind of a more complex piece of our body, so that requires a lot of care. But so it's the shoulder. So like I said, everything is a kinetic linking. So everything's connected. So usually something that's happened downstream will affect everything upstream. So we gotta make sure we take care of our ankles, our feet, and then our hips as well, obviously, and then our shoulders. Because usually a lot like to compensate. So we gotta make sure we take care of everything downstream first, so that way everything upstream will work better too, and then vice versa. So like the hips is part of the really important piece because it'll affect everything down and upstream. So your body's gonna compensate and try to fix it. So hopefully that helped, guys. If you have any suggestion or any comments, leave it in the comment section, or if you guys want to kind of focus on something a little bit more, let me know. But I'm gonna try to get maybe a yoga session for you guys. One of my friends is a yoga instructor, so maybe next week we'll do that, or we'll do a stretching session next week. It'll be something similar to this, not so much tissue smashing with the foam roller or the crossball next week, but just holding position. So embracing those positions. For example, we might go through that iron cross again, and it's just kind of hang out in that position for a minute or two. So we'll plan on something like that for next week. Okay, tune in next week again for around 6 p.m. Central Time. I think we're Central Time. We'll see you guys next week. If you like it, share it with your friends so everybody can kind of improve the body. Because like I said, as society as a whole, we're kind of essentially in that rounded forward position, especially now when everybody's working at home. We're constantly working on a computer, so we're always in the forward position. So this is going to help open everything out, help allow everything to loosen up too, especially in the thoracic spine when we rotate a little bit more. Okay, signing off. Bye guys.